Hi, my name is Charles, and I work with the Altru support team. In this video, we're going to review the new interface for linking payments to deposits. First, we'll take a look at where to find the link payments features. There's two places that you can get to it from: directly from the Treasury page, or from a specific deposit. Then, we're going to walk through using the new screen. We can set some filters, and then I'm going to show you how to navigate through the tabs. Okay, here's my home page. To begin the link payments process, we're going to want to go to Treasury. From the Treasury page, you may already notice there's a link for linking multiple payments. Let's select that. Our new form appears. Before we can do anything else, if we've entered this form from the main Treasury page, we'll have to select a deposit. I'm going to choose our first deposit in the system. Then you'll notice our options appear and we can begin linking payments. However, I'm going to cancel this screen and show you how to get to this screen directly from a deposit record. Let's begin by doing a deposit search. In this case, you may have already created the deposit for your sales items for the day, and now you're trying to link your payments from the back office. We'll do a search, and let's open a pre-existing deposit. From this deposit, on the action bar on the Payments tab, you'll have a link button. Notice also, on the left-hand side of the screen, you have a Link Multiple Payments button. They're going to take you to the same place. I'm going to click the Link button. Our new Link Multiple Payments screen appears. Notice, the deposit we were editing is already listed up top and grayed out, and we're ready to set our filters. Let's take a look at these filters one by one just to get an idea of what options you have on this screen. First off, you can select from Batch Number. This is a lookup screen as indicated by the magnifying glass. If you click this, we'll get a list of all the batches that have been entered into the system. This is useful if a certain set of payments is being entered through batch and you want to link all of them but nothing else to this one deposit. This is a pretty effective filter. I'm going to click the search link just so we can see what's in the grid, but I'm not going to use the batch filter as it's going to limit our results. The next filter is pretty useful. This is application type. Hitting this drop down, what you can do is filter the list of potential payments to link to this deposit based on what these payments were taken for. For instance, a donation versus a pledge or a membership payment, if you had a need to separate them out, this is where you would do it. Our next filter is added by. This is simply a way to filter the list of payments based on the users who have entered them into the system. Our next selection is a date range. If we hit this drop down, you'll see we have a few common options here. Specific dates where you can plug in exactly what you want to see, or we offer some fuzzy date functionality where you can choose something like today, yesterday, this week to help simplify the process. The goal of the link payment screen, the redesign of the link payment screen, was to make it easier for you to complete this process, and these filters are certainly going to help you. Lastly, we have payment method. Select this drop down and you'll be able to choose between the separate payment methods that are available in your system. This is very helpful for separating credit cards from cash and checks, which is a common practice for most of our customers. Once we have the filters set the way we want, simply click the Apply button. The list below will be populated with all of the payments that meet the criteria. Then, it's as easy as checking the box next to the individual item that you want to link. Notice, as you do so, the amounts at the bottom will summarize what you have: unlinked payments versus the total of all unlinked payments. As we select, the numbers will increase. Once I've selected these four, let's go ahead and click the button at the bottom to link selected. Now, what's happened is our payments that have been linked disappear from this tab and move over to the Linked Payments tab. This is very helpful for keeping things in an organized, tight list during this entire process. If you needed to unlink something, it's as simple as reversing the previous process. Mark the checkbox next to the item to unlink, and simply click the button at the bottom to unlink selected. It returns to our Unlinked Payments tab. The other great piece of functionality we've added to the screen to make your life a little easier is the Link All button. Click this, and it's automatically going to check and link everybody and push them over to the Linked Payments tab. In the event that you made a mistake or you needed to start over, you can simply undo the process by unlinking all. At this point, you'll notice both tabs are clear, and we'll hit Apply to refresh our page, and now we can see our list of unlinked payments again. Let's link a few and save this screen just so that you can see what happens afterwards. So we'll check these three again, link the selected items, and then select Save. We're returned to the deposit record, and here you'll see the three payments that we wanted linked to this deposit. If for some reason you needed to review this or return to the linking screen, it's as easy as clicking the link button on the action bar again. Click our Apply button. And here are the remaining payments that we have to link. To unlink a payment, it's as easy as selecting the payment on the actual tab and then choosing the Unlink button. You'll get a prompt that says, "Are you sure you want to do this?" Of course we are. Let's click Yes. That concludes our training video for the new linking screen in Treasury. Thanks for watching.